The Finder is how we access all the files and folders on our Mac. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet for all your digital files that you want to save on your Mac. Files such as documents with pages, or any other media such as audio, photos, or video. However, typically we put music and movies in iTunes, photos in iPhoto, home video in iMovie, and all other items we organize and store in the Finder. Just click on the Finder icon in the dock and view a Finder window. The Finder window consists of a left sidebar, a toolbar, and the Finder browser. On the left-hand side, the Finder is organized by favorites and devices, and if you are connected to a network, you may also have a shared section. Underneath the favorites, you'll find a section for All My Files, which contains all the recent files you've used on your Mac. Below that, you'll find AirDrop, a quick way to share files and photos with those that are close by. You'll also see quick access to the Applications folder. Then below that, you'll find Desktop, Documents, Downloads, and access to your home folder directly. These favorites give you quick access to all these locations. More about the Finder file structure in a later lesson in a course called The Finder. The Devices section is how you can connect to different devices on your Mac, such as your own computer's Macintosh hard drive, other connected networks, which lets you connect to other computers that are nearby, and Remote Disk, which is also referenced here under Devices, which allows you to connect to another computer that has a drive to read CDs and DVDs. If you connect any other devices, such as an external hard drive, thumb drive, or other devices, you'll be able to access them from this Devices section as well. We'll dig deeper into these in a separate tutorial. The Shared section will only show up if you are connected to a network that has other computers on it. This is helpful if you have multiple computers that you need to access files on that computer, or if you have co-workers nearby and want to share some files easily. We'll have more on this in a separate tutorial as well. On the top section of the Finder, you'll see the toolbar. The toolbar allows you to work in the Finder much easier by using tools such as the View button to easily change how you view items in the Finder. You can choose from Icon View, List View, Column View, and Cover Flow View. I personally prefer Column View, where you can select a folder, then in the next column it shows items that are inside that folder, and so forth, going deeper and deeper. You can easily create a new folder by pressing this New Folder button. Making new folders is a great way to keep your files organized. For example, if I'm inside the Documents folder, I might make a few subfolders such as Work, Personal Projects, and any others that you feel could help you keep things better organized. You might find it helpful to create a folder for a project you are working on. For example, I do web design projects, so when I start a new project, I create a folder for the project. Then folders inside for different file types that I'm working on, such as docs, graphics, logos, HTML, and other folders. There's no end to how many folders and subfolders you can create. Make it yours and organize things as you'd like. I hope this tutorial has given you a good introduction to OS X and you can understand a little better how to get around now that you understand the desktop, the dock, the menu bar, and the Finder. Our next lesson will show you how to browse the web with Safari. Thanks for learning with Learn to Mac.